Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Pocket Broker app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket Broker application on your device. And once you are taken into the sign in page, tap on the sign in button. Now this will ask you to enter your email address and your password. To reset your forgotten password, tap on the password recovery button. Now just enter the email address that you used while signing up for your account within the given box, and then tap on the restore button. Now you will be prompted to enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email. So just check your inbox and you will find your recovery code. Enter this code within the confirmation code box, and now you can enter your desired new password. After typing in your new password, tap on the send button, and now you will get a notification telling you that your password has successfully changed. You can now tap on the sign in button in order to log into your account using your new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Pocket Broker application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.